welcome to Sapakana Official. Today we are in Cadbury. Okay.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय न्यू ब्लॉग। और हम गए थे कैडबरी वर्ल्ड, और कैडबरी वर्ल्ड जो है बर्मिंघम का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट और सबसे फेमस टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन है। सो एंजॉय द ब्लॉग। मारा तुम कुछ करो। हाय, शी मामा इज डूइंग दिस। मायरा मेरा wow, this is the cocoa tree, Myra. देखो Stonehenge people. Okay, you can see a lot of things, Myra. Touch to start. Touch to start. Play. 10 cocoa beans, 2 cocoa beans, 16. So drag to create connection line. See the Fredo the frog. How they used to make.
I loaded my galleons with cocoa beans and chocolate drink making, as I was convinced.
My name is John Cadbury, and this is my shop, where I first established my business in 1824. My father, Mr. Cadbury, owns a runs and drinks that even more are fully costumed champions. They help serve the shop. Oh yes, the corporations of cocoa beans and chocolate, which I would sell in the shop. Soon I had to rent a warehouse at nearby Crooked Lane, where and into another factory, here, in Bridge Street. That's when my brother Benjamin told me, and together we saw to it that the quality of our cocoa improved. Introduced
cut open, so that all of the beans and sticky pulp can be scooped out and be fermented in a heap, and then dried.
Hot हो गया क्या ये करना? हाँ हाँ only for demonstration, Myra. Not for eating. Okay? So just don't eat. फज नहीं
Oreo crumb and fudge
पीछे डीजे देखा मायरा मतलब गिराना है आपको एक
गिराना नहीं है पेड़ को उगा रहा हूँ
अच्छा ओह वाओ हाँ वो ग्रो तो कर रहा है मायरा देखो देखो ग्रो कर रहा है वाओ jump on it
Circus.
Oh, come on, I said hello!
hello
Let's get you warmed up. Let's get you all up on your feet. Come on. Let's get you. Want to know that if you clap and cheer, join in the whole show through. There's lots of fun with Fredo. I'm so.
Now it's time to say bye. We really had a very good time. हमने बहुत मज़े किए. I hope आप सबको भी वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. So do like, share and subscribe. And take care. Bye bye.